How to hide Instagram chat. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now, click on the message icon given at the top right. You will be directed to the chat list page. Now, if you try to hide any of the message, you are not able to do that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how can you do that. So what you have to do is you have to head towards the settings and activity page. For that, navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars. Now, scroll down. Make sure you haven't set your account to the private. Then click on this option, Account Type and Tools. Click on the option Switch to Professional Account. Click on Continue for all these options. Select the option of your choice, what best describes you. Select whether you are a creator or business and click on Next. Now you have to complete these, and once you do that, you have just converted your account to the professional account. Now head towards the message page. Once you are here, you're gonna find different tabs now: Primary, General, and Request. Now head towards any of the conversation that you want to hide, swipe left, click on this arrow icon, and with that, it has been moved to the General tab. Now the conversation won't appear in the Primary tab, but when you head towards General tab, you're gonna find that conversation over there. So this way you are able to hide Instagram chat. By following the same steps, you are able to hide any conversation. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.